So hi, my name is Lily. I am going to be your business language teacher on my channel. Basically, welcome to my channel, and I hope you enjoy the material I'll be sharing with you. You're going to go to, if you want to go to a place for mastering business English, here's the channel. I'm going to stop posting little clips and very basic things, very slowly but surely. And whether you're looking for a boost of communication skills, here you should be. Nailing that big presentation or going to meetings or going to a business setting, it's very important to have the correct vocabulary and materials and understanding what materials you are using. Essential for business in the right spot. So basically what my classes entail as we're going to start is going to be tailored lessons. Each video is crafted for individuals' professional needs. Okay, first is obviously going to be the basics, and then it's going to go into particular job criteria. Experts' insights. Okay, so basically with my extensive experience, I'll help you navigate business skills. We've got it all. Okay, so practical tips from writing impactful emails to perfecting your negotiation skills. We've got it all. And as well to be cultural savvy. What this means is basically learn the essential etiquettes. Etiquette is very important. As I've traveled the world, I've been to the Middle East, I've been to, now I'm in Japan at the moment, and I've been working in Spain as well. So it's very important, the etiquettes and the culture and the different nationalities, the nuances that makes a difference in the global market. No? Teaching materials. I will access you downloadable worksheets, basically, practice exercises as well, and helpful resources to reinforce your learning, basically. So obviously I have a list here. I'm reading it because it's a lot of words, but cut back to you. Basically, we are going to, if you're ready to take your business English skills to the next level, basically, and open up opportunities, hit the subscribe button and join me on this exciting journey. Okay, or even like, that would be great. If you have any questions or recommendations, you can always comment below and tell me what you need to improve on, and as well as what would help you understand better and how to make it more easily successful. Okay, and as we'll go on, I hope this makes you feel a little bit more open-minded to business language, which is another cultural and very important business language in English, especially traveling, even going to different areas. It's very, very vague. But as well as it's important, you can join me on Preply if you really want to have one-on-one classes in specific areas and specialize, as well as teaching conversations. Okay, so I can teach you the conversation face to face and perfect your vocabulary and pronunciation. Hope you have a great day. Bye.